Let's open Audrey C5 mystery bags. She wished for purple, yellow and green. If the tag matches her wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go. Yellow, get one more. Boho beaded necklace with golden sun pendant, full of vacation vibe. Red, geometric V-shaped bangle, elegant alone and full of layered texture when stacked. Yellow, get one more. Colorful enamel daisy bracelet, sweet vibrant floral design for summer wear. Green, get one more. Bird-shaped gold ring, sharp and bold lines, delivery a cool exclusive vibe. Green, get one more. Hollow fishbone pendant necklace, lightweight thin for everyday wear. Yellow, get one more. Color block enamel multi-charm metal Cuban chain, full of artistic flair. White. Irregular twisted metal open ring with gradient silver and gold finish. Purple, get one more. Adjustable silver and gold flowers earrings, wearable in multiple styles. Pink. Light blue enamel teardrop gold earrings, sweet and gentle to flatter your vibe. White. Woven square earrings with an inlaid stone at the center for understated luxury. Pink. Minimalist ring with two parallel thin bars, boasting a cool, distinctive minimalist vibe. Red. Vintage hand-painted cherry tag Cuban necklace, sweet retro and full of summer vitality. Unbelievable! Audrey C., your 5 mystery bags become 12, congrats. Free gift for you. Thank you so much. Let's open Erin's 3 mystery bags. She wished for pink and yellow, and if the tag matches her wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Purple. Openable photo locket with bow, lock and key pendant bracelet. Pink, get one more. Sweet strawberry pearl bracelet, so cute. Yellow, get one more. Cute ocean themed starfish shell blue gems earrings. Blue. Retro floral ring with intricate leaf carving. Blue. Twisted oval dome gold earrings for daily wear. Orange. Enamel butterfly ring with blue glaze and mini stones, super lively. Erin, your 3 mystery bags become 6. Congrats. Free gift for you. Thank you so much.